Okay.
Hi, Tim Drinkwater has a question. What are your thoughts on sending out promo items or small gifts, possibly with a personal note?
Yeah, 100%.
100%.
If you can, like, as long as it's a good gift and not like a flash, like a portable flash drive.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like those are cheesy.
Like a Yeti or, you know, something like that.
Yeah, like check out these. I know you can't zoom in, but like that's some of our swag. That's a full blown Yeti. That's a $34 custom mug that we give to almost all of our clients as we restock and get more clients and bring it in. We send them gifts, but to even people that aren't customers, sending them something, anything.
Especially if they're low hanging fruit and
Yeah.
like why not?
Anything. Send them a box of cookies.
Yeah.
Like
everybody loves Tips Treats. Tips Treats is everywhere.
So Oracle, big company, right? We would probably never do business with Oracle because we just don't have a need. Somehow we got on some list, and they send us every single month. Are they cupcakes or cookies?
They're brownie and they're brookies. They're brownie and cookie. They're brownies and then brownie cookies.
Yeah, brownie and brownie cookies. Every single time that box comes,
they are gone.
I'm like, I mean, maybe we could make a case to do some business with Oracle.
Yeah, maybe.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
how much do we need to spend to actually do business with them? Because we want to keep getting these cookies.
Right, and what do you imagine what you get if you are a customer?
Oh man,
they might be sending you like Tips Treats, which is I feel like a Texas thing.
No, it's everywhere. Tips Treats everywhere.
Okay.
I've had Tips Treats in the middle of New York City before.
Okay. So yes, Tim, I think that if you strategically have a list of 10, 20, 30 companies and you send them something thoughtful, you may not know the person or like their interest. Like, do they love to golf? Wait, here's some golf clubs or not golf clubs.
Oh, are we sending out golf clubs
No.
now? Dude, I'll sign 1,000 people if you're ready to do that.
We'll send out some of those cheap ones.
The Kirkland Home ones that they make now.
Yeah.
Kirkland come back out with theirs.
Yeah, they're probably going to end up being like awesome.
They probably are.
Yeah.
Kirkland definitely never make anything bad.
But send them a sleeve of golf balls and some koozies or something like that. Like anything to stand out. That's what it comes down to. If you can stand out, you know they're getting attention and noise from everywhere. If you can stand out by doing something different outside of the box, send them anything in the mail, because the mail is like dead these days. People just don't get things. We usually never. Like that's why Oracle sends us some.
We get checks. That's all we get.
Yeah, we get checks. We get checks and magazines.
Yeah.
Metal Forming magazine. If you haven't subscribed to Metal Forming magazine, check it out. But we get that in the mail, but that's about it. The packages that we buy, but that's not exciting.
No.
If somebody sent me some stuff here and was like, "Hey, just wanted to reach out to you guys, and here's some free whatever," I don't even care. We would put that up in the office, and everybody would take it.
Hey, people were fighting over that Zoom Info jacket.
Yeah, and it's still in my office. Like Zoom Info gave me a light puffy jacket. Yeah, I already have one, so I don't need it, but it's got their logo on it. But yeah, like they sent it to us just because I made an Instagram post and reached out to and the owner reached out.
Yeah.
But it's like, yes, Tim, I 100% agree that doing something thoughtful, sending something different, differentiating yourself 1,000% will go somewhere.
They will remember you, especially if it's something they can use. They'll look at their Yeti mug and go, "Oh, Tim."
All right, guys, hopefully you got value out of that content. If you did, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications.
Follow us both on LinkedIn.
And I'll see you guys on the next one.